Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to revisit how to create a multi-radio dropdown in Webflow. But this time we'll explore a different approach. Let's get started. So since Webflow doesn't support native radio buttons inside a dropdown, we'll use custom code to achieve this effect. First, you need to add a form block to your canvas. Within the form, drag an embed element where you want the multi-radio dropdown. In the embed code editor, paste the following HTML. This creates a drop-down menu where users can select one option, similar to how radio buttons work. If you need to style the dropdown, you can also add custom CSS. Remember to save and publish your site to see the changes. And that's another way to create a multi-radio dropdown in Webflow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow tips. I'll catch you in the next video.